Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can send money from Payoneer to Binance. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, simply go ahead, first open up your Binance app and go ahead, sign in, and then once you're signed in, you're going to go to navigate to this option of wallets, where you will be able to find this kind of interface where you will find this option of deposit, withdraw, and transfer on top. Go ahead, tap on this option of deposit. Once you go through the deposit section, you will be able to choose any currency that you would like to deposit on the Binance. Go ahead, choose the USD as the one that you would like to choose. Add in the worth that you would like to add, then go to the buy section. So once you have gone through the buy section, you will be able to provide a payment method for you to purchase the USD. Now go ahead, choose the payment method and choose the card for it. Now you're going to go ahead, enter the card detail of your particular Payoneer bank of yours. Go ahead, add in a Payoneer card of yours. Go ahead, add in the card details including card number, name, and the CVV if required. Once you've provided the detail and you have confirmed the transaction, your fund will be deducted from your Payoneer card itself, and you will get the exact worth of the fund that has been deducted in as a USD asset in your Binance itself. So that's how you deposit and send money basically from Payoneer to Binance. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.